Say it simpler, mastering pronouns. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into the world of pronouns, a part of speech that makes our sentences more varied and easier to use. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns, allowing us to avoid repetition and make our language more fluent and natural. Let's start our journey. To start off, let's clarify what a pronoun is. A pronoun is a word that can function by itself as a noun phrase. They are used instead of a noun to avoid it being repeated. For instance, imagine a sentence without pronouns. John went to the park because John wanted to enjoy John's day off. Sounds a bit awkward, right? Well, that's where pronouns come in. We can simplify that sentence to, John went to the park because he wanted to enjoy his day off. The words he and his are pronouns. There are different types of pronouns, each serving a unique purpose. Some of the common ones include 1. Personal pronouns. These are the most commonly used pronouns. They represent specific people or things. We have subject pronouns such as I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, and object pronouns such as me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. 2. Possessive pronouns. These indicate ownership or possession. Examples include mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. 3. Reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject of the clause. They end in self or selves, like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. 4. Relative pronouns. These introduce a relative clause. They include who, whom, whose, which, and that. 5. Demonstrative pronouns. These are used to point to specific things. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. 6. Interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions. Who, whom, whose, which, and what are interrogative pronouns. 7. Indefinite pronouns. These refer to one or more unspecified people or things. Examples are someone, anyone, everyone, someone, nobody, each, few, many, none, some, and all. To better understand how pronouns work, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal pronoun. She loves her cat. In this sentence, she is the subject pronoun, and her is the object pronoun. 2. Possessive pronoun. This book is mine. Here, mine is the possessive pronoun showing ownership of the book. 3. Reflexive pronoun. He cut himself while cooking. Himself is the reflexive pronoun referring back to he. 4. Relative pronoun. The person who called you is my friend. In this case, who is the relative pronoun linking the two clauses together. 5. Demonstrative pronoun. This is my house. This is the demonstrative pronoun indicating a specific house. 6. Interrogative pronoun. Whom did you invite? Whom is the interrogative pronoun asking for the object of the action. 7. Indefinite pronoun. Someone left a gift for you. Someone is the indefinite pronoun referring to an unspecified person. And there we have it. We've just touched on the basics of pronouns and their vital role in English grammar. They might seem small and simple, but they make a huge difference in our speech and writing. By mastering pronouns, you'll be one step closer to sounding like a native English speaker. Keep practicing, and remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is progress in your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!